Welcome to our English vocabulary lesson. Today, we'll be learning some new phrases to help expand your English vocabulary. Learning new phrases is essential for improving your language skills and expressing yourself more effectively. Let's get started. First, we'll introduce a few phrases along with their meanings and pronunciation. Repeat after me as we go along to practice your pronunciation. Apologizing. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. My apologies for the delay. I didn't mean to offend you. Please forgive me. I messed up. I'm sorry. Now, it's time to put these phrases into context to understand how they are used in everyday conversations. Feel free to pause and repeat after me to reinforce your learning. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but there was a delay in processing your order. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. My apologies for the delay in responding to your email. I appreciate your patience. My apologies for the delay. I didn't mean to offend you with my comments. I hope we can move past this. I didn't mean to offend you. Please forgive me for forgetting our appointment. It was unintentional. Please forgive me for forgetting our appointment. I messed up by forgetting to submit the report on time. I'm sorry for the inconvenience it caused. Remember, practice makes perfect. Make sure to review these phrases regularly to ensure they become a part of your vocabulary. Stay tuned for more lessons to enhance your English skills. Happy learning.